Hi guys! Today I will show you how to make traditional Balkan red pepper sauce called Ajvar. This savory smoky sauce can be used as a dipping sauce or a spread, so you can use it to add some extra flavor to your everyday meals. I also use it as a base for some pasta sauces. Let's start with thoroughly washing and drying one small eggplant and 500 grams or 1 pound of red bullhorn peppers. These are the best for authentic flavor, but you can also use red bell peppers. Also, poke a few holes into the eggplant, otherwise it might explode in the oven. Now set your oven to broil and give it a couple minutes to heat up. Place the rack around 4 inches below the heating element, so there's at least an inch of space between the vegetables and the heating element. Put a baking sheet below the vegetables to catch any possible drippings. Broil the vegetables for around 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them the whole time. We need them to be just slightly charred, not burnt. When you can see charring, turn them around and wait until the other side starts to turn black as well. I'm taking out these peppers, but it seems like the eggplant needs a bit more time, so let's give it 5 more minutes. When the vegetables are done broiling, place them in a bowl, cover them and let them sit and steam for around half an hour. This will make them a lot easier to peel. When the vegetables are done steaming, you can peel them. You can just use your hands. The peel comes off very easily. Remove the stems from the peppers, cut them open and remove the seeds. Cut the eggplant into smaller pieces. Place the vegetables into food processor and add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. You can also add some chilies if you like it more spicy. Close the food processor and pulse the mixture until you reach desired smoothness. Place this mixture into a saucepan and let it simmer on low heat for about half an hour, stirring occasionally. In the meantime, you can sterilize some canning jars. You can do this by placing open jars and lids into boiling water and boiling them for 10 minutes. This recipe makes around 350 grams or 12 ounces of Ajvar, so you can pick the size of your jars accordingly. When Ajvar is done cooking, spoon the still steaming Ajvar into canning jars. You can shake your jar around a bit to get rid of air bubbles. When the jar is almost full, clean the edges and pour in some vegetable oil to stop the Ajvar from oxidizing. And there you have it, your own homemade Ajvar. This looks delicious. If you want to see some more recipes, just subscribe so you don't miss anything. And how about you? What did you cook this week? Let me know in the comments. See you later!